few water and rocks instead of lava. This ensemble pictures the volcano as silhouetted by clouds and where waterfalls and rivers originate.
Bukod sa iyong sariling bayan, anong bayan o municipality ang dapat bisitahin ng mga turista dito sa Quezon? Bukod sa iyong bayan.
If I were to be choose one municipality, it would be the Lucena City because it is the place wherein we held the Nyugan Festival. And I do believe that Nyugan Festival is a collection of the inspiring story of Quezonians, that we have the same vision, that we have the common goal, and this is the Lucena City, the Nyugan Festival is our identity as Quezonian, because I do believe that through this festival, through this celebration that we bring, that we just bring for enthusiasm, I do believe that we will be known in the future generation, not just in the Philippines, but in the whole wide world. Thank you.
Welcome, candidate number 19. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm okay, but we'll see after I've answered your question.
Sige. Good luck.
Thank you.
So our final question for you is, if you were crowned Binibining Nyugnyugan 2019, how will you further promote the Nyugnyugan Festival?
Kung ikaw ang tatanghaling Binibining Nyugyugan 2019, paano mo higit na maisusulong o maipropromote ang Nyugnyugan Festival?
After all the sacrifices and the things that I've learned about this pageant, I think that I can promote the Nyugan Festival through my advocacy, which is to voice out and to promoting having a healthy lifestyle through utilization of the agritourism products of our province. Because I do believe that Quezon is the world's greatest exporters of coconut. And I do believe that if I will be the Binibining Nyugan 2019, I will not just strengthen the idea of volunteerism, that I will support these programs that the existing programs of our government, but I will also promote the Nyugan Festival because this Nyugan Festival shows our identity as Quezonians. And I do believe that one day, Quezon province will rise. And I do believe and I can say that I can be your next festival queen, your next Binibining Nyugan 2019. Mabuhay ang Quezon province, mabuhay ang Nyugan Festival.